Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to talk about something very important: letting go. These are only 10-pound weights, but if I hold these for a long period of time, they will get heavier. So, what are you holding on to in life that's holding you back from going to that next level? Are you holding on to something in the past? Or are you holding on to friends that are not helping you and they're really toxic and you know they're not helping you go to the next level? Are you holding on to things and thoughts that you keep telling yourself that you're not worthy and you're unsuccessful, and just holding on to negativity and not really just letting positive thoughts come through? If you continue on that road, you will not get where you're trying to go. I did that for so long and I was miserable. And I'm pretty sure it's a lot of you out there right now going through the same thing. I'm here to let you know that it's a way out. If you feel like you're not smart, instead of continuously telling yourself the same thing, just get a book and just read how to become smarter. If you're, dealing with weight issues, find you a good book on weight loss. Find you some good videos on weight loss and get people in your life that's gonna encourage you instead of discourage you. And we gotta stop telling ourselves that we're not capable, because all you have to do is just take the first step. And when you take the first step, you'll be very surprised of what happens next. You might not get where you're trying to go right off, but over time you will build up momentum and you'll see the fruits of your labor. But you first have to start by doing what? Letting go. Let go of everything in your life that's not helping you. And the moment you do that is the moment your life will change forever. Peace, love, and positive vibes.